In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using 3 tools. I'm going to show you how you can make money using Amazon, Pinterest, and an AI tool of your choice. So the first thing that if you're not an Amazon affiliate, go ahead and sign up for Amazon. Affiliate is free. You can begin by creating a website, which I'm going to show you how you can through a link at the description. I'm going to leave a link to a video that will show you step by step on how to create a very affordable website to get started with. Then now, in my Pinterest account, I'm going to show you what steps you need to follow to begin making money using the 3 tools I mentioned. The next step is to open a Pinterest account, pinterest.com. It's a free tool that will help you market. It's a place where people come for visual inspiration. So, of course, you need to have pins that are really attractive and you're able to sell through that. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do that. You're going to give your Pinterest profile a name and make sure that you have an optimized for search description about your business. And you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, or whichever tool that you need to help you with that. Let's say you want to niche down and you want to market around laptops. So your content will be around laptop stands, laptop cooling pad, backpack, anything to do with laptop. So you have niche down. So because that is very, very important in the website that you're going to be creating content on. It should be about a certain niche, and also your Pinterest account should niche down. That is the third step. So you have an Amazon account, you have a Pinterest account that is optimized. The next thing that you need to do is niche down. And of course, you need to niche, work on the niche even before you create your website, because even the name that you give it should somehow relate to the niche that you have. The next thing that you're going to do is research on the keywords that you're going to use in your posts. And I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can look for keywords in Pinterest. The first one is Pinterest Trends. So Pinterest Trends is where you get to learn what's trending, what people are searching within Pinterest, and it's able to also predict the future, like in terms of the seasons that are upcoming. So they're able to predict it depending on like last year's. Like here, if you want to begin marketing for something that you intend to sell in Christmas, be it your own products or as an affiliate, this is the right way for you to begin researching, because it's able to give you an idea of what was trending last year and what they think will trend this year. So if we come here and look at this shopping trend of backpacks, you're able to see that it has an engagement of 77%, outbound clicks, pin saves. So it's something that is really doing well at the moment, maybe because of back to school. If you scroll down, you'll see search queries. These are keywords which you can copy and save them somewhere. You'd also get other product categories. So again, you can change this into the region that you're targeting. Also on the main Pinterest trends page, just scroll down. As you can see here, we have the growing trends, we have the seasonal trends, we have top monthly and top yearly trends. Let's look at seasonal trends. You see end of summer, August nails idea. This has been trending over August. So, like for example, as I said, during Christmas, you can be able to get the keywords or the products that trends during Christmas. So here are the keywords, some of the keywords that you can write down. So within Pinterest, there are so many ways that you can be able to get keywords that you can use in your descriptions, in your titles, just to make your pins rank. The other way to research on keywords within Pinterest is when you go to your profile, click on your profile, and then this you'll be able to research. So under this, write the keyword that you want to use or the product. So in our case here, we wrote laptop and we got all this. We got all that. We can also say laptop bag. You can see these are the keywords that you're getting. So you can also copy or write them down somewhere because this is what people are using to search. If you say laptop bags for women, and by the way, Pinterest is mainly used by women, although a few men come here to research, but mainly your target should be women. And even if you're selling stuff that are related to men, there's a way you can tweak your pin and your description to match like a woman shopping for a man. Okay, so you can see people are advertising this. Let's see, this is a laptop. This is a handbag that has a place where you can place your laptop in. So this is a video, and I'm sure this is a video someone took from TikTok, and it's ranking. So if you want to visit this, you can see it's taking us to Instagram where we can learn more about the product. If you're interested, you just place an order from the store. These up here are also keywords. So you can say in your description or in your title, you can say leather laptop bags for women, elegant laptop bags for women, stylish laptop bags for women, black leather. These are the keywords that people are using to search. Some people also use specific product name. So there's a way you can be able to mix the keywords to the product name so that when someone specifically searches for that product, your pin is able to rank. The other place apart from Google that you can search, and also TikTok and other social media platforms that you can research for keywords, another place that is very, very important for you to consider is Amazon itself. We saw from Pinterest that there is someone searching, or there are some keywords that is under luxury or luxury laptop bag for women. If we click on that, it's gonna give us this. See what it gives us. Okay. See this, and I think we saw this somewhere. We also saw this. So it's always good to look at the number of the products that were bought within the month, so that you also sell a product that it's already selling. So let's say we go for this that has this one I saw that has 400 sales. Let's say we go for that. We are going to save this image in our laptop, and also we're going to copy this, and I'll show you what to do in the next step. So this is where we get to start creating the pins. So I'm using Claude. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, or whichever AI tool that you prefer. And I'm going to leave this at the description so that you can copy and try it by yourself. So I've attached the image. You don't have to attach the image, but you can give the title of the product that you want to it to help you create. So I'm going to go ahead and send the message. Let's see what it comes up with. So far it has come up with 2 titles that look really good. And also it began working on the description, but somehow it hung. So I'm going to try it again. If it doesn't work, we move it to ChatGPT. So I refreshed, it gives me 2 titles again, gives me 2 descriptions, the alt text and the image prompts. So now we're going to create image prompts. So AI has come to make it very easy. It doesn't mean that you rely on everything it tells you, but it's here to make our work easier. So we're going to first use Gemini. Let's see what it gives us. I've edited the prompt a bit. Let's see if it will give us something beautiful. Look at what Gemini has given us. I think it's beautiful. This is good. So you can try the same with ChatGPT or Flow or whichever AI tool that you want to use. But also I'm going to leave this prompt at the description for you to try it. So we're going back to Pinterest and we're going to create a pin. So upload the image that we downloaded. Then we go ahead and copy and paste everything that Claude did for us. So we're also going to create a board which we can optimize later, and then copy the link from Amazon and paste it there. Then down here we are going to paste the alt. Here we're going to paste the alt text. So we pasted the alt text that we got from Claude. You can also tag topics. I don't have to. If you want to add products, you can add directly from, you just use link, paste the Amazon link, and then select the product that you want also to be shown to the client. And that's it. Our pin is ready to be published. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful. You're able to get started or revamp your Pinterest account. If you have any questions, just comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you'd like more training, deep training, just comment below or inbox me and I'll be able to share with you a link that you can access Pinterest marketing training. I'll see you on the next one.